how to change your profile picture in Instagram. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change your Instagram profile picture. So in order to do so, the first thing that we're going to do is open up our Instagram application, and once you're inside your Instagram home screen, you will see an interface like this. Now from here you will need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom right, and from your profile page you will see your profile picture right here. So click onto your profile picture and you can see your story. But in order to add your profile picture, you can click onto this edit profile option, and from here click onto this change profile picture button. Then from here you have three options: either you can take a photo right away, or you can import it from Facebook, or also choose from library, which means that you will be browsing your local storage. So click on choose from library, and from here choose any image. So for example, let's say I'll go with this particular image, and once I have set it, I can also set its dimensions as well, and then I can click onto this done option. And once that will be done, your profile will be successfully changed. Just wait for a bit for this to get updated, and once it will get updated, the changes will be reflected like this. So that's how easily you can change or add a profile picture in your Instagram. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.